Hello students, welcome back to the maths class. I am Mrs. Mahashweta Roy and let us start our class with a poem on subtraction. More on the top, no need to stop. More on the floor, go next door and get 10 more. Numbers the same, 0 is the game. Children, now let us apply the theory in our sums.
We are going to solve one sum from page number 41. Here we are going to apply the rule more on the floor, go next door and bring 10 more. That you have learned in subtraction poem. Okay children, let us see. Here we are going to subtract 7 from number 26. So always we start subtracting from the ones position. Here in the ones position 6 is on the top and 7 is at the bottom, and 7 is a bigger number than 6. So what we have to do? We have to go to the next door, that is 2 tens. From 2 tens we are going to borrow 1 tens. So this 2 tens will now become 1 tens. So 1 tens I have borrowed from here, and 10 plus 6 becomes 16. We are going to cross this, and from 16, now from 16 we are going to subtract 7. Okay, so 16 minus 7 becomes 9. And now here 1 tens are left and nothing is there down, so 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. So what is my answer? 19 is the answer. Now we are going to do 2-digit subtraction. Okay. Just now we learned how to subtract a single digit from a double-digit number. Now here we are dealing with 2 double-digit numbers. Here also we are going to apply the same rule. If more on the top, no need to stop. If more is at the bottom, we have to go to the next door and we have to borrow 1 tens. Okay children? Here also you can see we have to subtract 7 from number 4, which is not possible because 4 is a smaller number than 7. So what I will do? I will go to the tens place and I will borrow 1 tens from 6 tens. Now this 6 tens will become 5 tens. And that 1 tens means 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. Now we are going to subtract 7 from number 14. So 14 minus 7 is how much children? Yes, 14 minus 7 is 7. Now we are left with 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 is very easy. You all know 5 minus 4 is 1. So what is the answer? 17 is the answer. Now we are going to solve one more subtraction sum of 2-digit numbers. Okay. So here you can see that 7 is on the top and 9 is at the bottom. 9 is a bigger number. So we have to apply the same rule. We have to borrow 1 tens from the tens position. So from 5 tens, I will borrow 1 tens. So 5 tens will now become 4 tens. Now 10 plus 7 becomes number 17. Now I am going to subtract 9 from number 17. 17 minus 9 is how much children? Yes, 17 minus 9 is 8. Now 4 minus 1 is 3. Now 38 is the answer. Now we are going to solve one more sum from page number 43, that is 70 minus 60. Before I solve this sum, I want to tell you children that when I subtract 0 from 0, we get 0 only. Okay? You have to remember it while solving such type of subtraction sums. So always start from the ones place. So 0 minus 0 is 0. And 7 minus 6 is 1. So we get 10 as answer. Now there is a small coloring activity for you students. I know you all love coloring. You have to color the flower by finding the subtraction facts. In the flower, few subtraction sums are given. You have to first find the answer. If you find 10 as answer, you have to color that part yellow. If you find 1, you have to color part green. By following the color codes, you have to color this flower. You can draw this flower either in your activity notebook or on a A4 size paper. Enjoy the activity, children. That's all for today. Thank you. Happy learning.